Morning everyone, welcome to Burkeshire Farm. Today we're not at the farm, we're at our little house that we are staying in here in Houston. And yesterday when I came home in the afternoon, we had no electricity. Today it's supposed to get up into the high 90s, so Frank is going to try and figure out what's going on with the air conditioner. So let's go see what he's up to. Alright, so he's around the corner here. Got up nice and early this morning while it's still somewhat cool. And the air conditioner, of course, is in the shade. So let's see what he's up to.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, honey. What are you up to?
Hi, I'm going to see what we got going on here with this air conditioner. And make sure power is off. Alright.
And so what is all that?
This here is called a run capacitor. And it's all rested up here on the top, so I got to scratch it to verify. Okay, that's my fan. Now, I guess I could trace them just as easily, but get over here. Should be a start. Okay, here's my common. These real quick. I'm labeling them real quick so that when we come back, I can very quickly just throw them back on, and instead of having to trace, or my memory's not so doing so well, so I make it easy, label them real quick, and then I can pull them and ohm this condensing or this run capacitor off. This is my fan. Then I've got my my common, and start. Okay, good enough. Oh. Alright, now what we're going to do is we come from our common amps, common, nothing. Our fan should be 5, and our start should be the 55. We got nothing.
Which means?
It's a run, well, it's definitely a run capacitor. It's done. It's cooked. Alright. $25. I think we can get it going. Oh my gosh. You're doing this in the morning.
Yeah.
In the morning with me. Okay. Let's go get a new one, honey.